Hi, welcome to Homegrown in the Kitchen. Today we're going to talk about how to dice a fruit or a vegetable. Sometimes a recipe will call for chopped onion or zucchini or whatever, but a dice is a more precise cut. We're tipping and tailing this zucchini and getting the top and bottom off. And then we're going to say we're going to need if we need a large dice, we're going to cut it in half first. And then we're probably going to cut it in half again. And I'm going to come and cut the zucchini this way. I'll put this out on a plate so we can see what that is. It's a large dice. Now, if a recipe calls for a medium dice, obviously it's just a little bit smaller than this. So we're going to use our other half. We're going to cut it in half again. I'm probably going to cut this in 3 pieces. And I'm going to chop this using our technique that we know, the rocking motion. That's a medium dice. Now, a small dice is obviously smaller than that. So we're going to take this piece and we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to cut it in half again, and we're going to chop through this way. There's our small dice. Now I have one more cut to show you. What gets smaller than small? Smaller than small in a dice is a French term called a brunoise. Brunoise is very tiny, and you would use it to garnish a soup or to use in a sauce, and it is a very precise cut. But you're going to want to practice your other cuts before you go to a brunoise.